What if I told you that mixing two ingredients costing less than 50 rupees creates a cleaner more powerful than anything you can buy in stores? What if this combination tackles soap scum, grease, mold, and stains that expensive products can't even touch? I tested this against 5 branded cleaners, and what happened left me absolutely speechless. Keep watching because you're about to discover why cleaning companies desperately don't want you to know this secret. The problem that seems impossible. You know that moment when you're scrubbing your bathroom tiles with expensive cleaner? Your arms are aching, sweat is dripping, but the soap scum refuses to budge? Or when you're standing in front of your greasy kitchen cabinets, having tried 3 different products, and nothing works? You feel defeated. You feel like maybe your surfaces are just permanently damaged. Maybe that grime is there to stay. But what if I told you the problem isn't your effort or your surfaces? The problem is you've been sold lies. The cleaning industry has convinced us that every type of dirt requires a specialized, expensive formula. Bathroom cleaner for bathrooms, kitchen degreaser for kitchens, mold remover for mold. They've created an entire economy based on making you believe cleaning is complicated. But here's the truth they're hiding. 2 simple ingredients, when combined correctly, create a cleaning solution so powerful it makes their products look like water. And they know this. They just can't profit from it. Before I reveal this incredible combination, if you're tired of wasting money on cleaners that don't work, hit that like button right now. And if you want to discover solutions that are simple, cheap, and devastatingly effective, subscribe and turn on notifications, because this will change everything. Let's get started. The magic combination revealed. Here's the formula. Heat 1 cup of white vinegar in the microwave until it's warm, not boiling. Pour it into a spray bottle. Add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Swirl gently to mix, don't shake, or you'll create too many bubbles. That's it. This combination creates a chemical reaction that's absolutely extraordinary. The vinegar's acetic acid breaks down mineral deposits and cuts through grime. The dish soap's surfactants lift grease and allow the solution to cling to vertical surfaces instead of running off. Together, they're unstoppable. I tested this on bathroom tiles covered with soap scum that I'd been scrubbing for months with branded cleaners. I sprayed this mixture, waited 5 minutes, and wiped. The soap scum literally dissolved, not reduced, dissolved. I stood there staring, unable to believe something so simple worked so dramatically. Then I tested it on my oven door, greasy stovetop, moldy shower corners, even hard water stains on glass. Every single surface came clean effortlessly. Why this works when nothing else does. Here's the science behind the magic. Soap scum is a combination of soap residue and hard water minerals. Most cleaners attack one or the other, which is why they fail. This combination attacks both simultaneously. The warm vinegar dissolves minerals, while the dish soap breaks down the soap residue. For grease, the vinegar cuts through the oxidized layer, while the dish soap lifts the grease away. It's a 1-2 punch that nothing else delivers. The transformation. When I switched to this combination, my entire cleaning routine changed. Tasks that used to take 30 minutes now take 5. Surfaces I thought were permanently stained look brand new. I'm spending maybe 30 rupees monthly on vinegar and dish soap instead of 300 rupees on multiple branded cleaners. But the real victory isn't the money saved. It's the realization that simple solutions work best. It's understanding that we've been manipulated into believing cleaning requires complexity when the opposite is true. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. There it is, vinegar plus dish soap. The strongest cleaner you'll ever need. If this just saved you money and frustration, smash that like button right now. Subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications for more game-changing hacks. Share this with everyone tired of expensive, ineffective cleaners. Comment which surface you're cleaning first. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay smart and clean smarter, not harder.